Wheeler Ilwed is a company who was founded since 1928 by my great-grandfather in Tunisia. We are producing olive oil. We do olive oil from the land to the table. Our brand is Rivière d'Or, is very famous in the world. We are exporting in more than 65 countries, including Brazil. So now I'm here in Brazil, in Sao Paulo, with the invitation of the Brazilian Arab Chamber of Commerce, who are helping us to exhibit in this famous exhibition. I think Brazil is a big place to promote our brand of olive oil. As you know, Brazil is importing more than 75,000 tons per year of olive oil. Mostly of them are coming from Portugal, but very small quantity is coming from Tunisia. Instead, Tunisia is very famous for olive oil. Tunisia is the fourth producer of olive oil in the world and the first exporter after Europe in the world. So I think here there is a big potential to sell our olive oil. We already have a distributor here in Sao Paulo who is selling my olive oil, Rivière d'Or, in many places in Brazil. And we are here also interested to make private labels for big companies here who are working only with their labels. I know the Brazilian Arab Chamber from now 15 years. First time when I come here, I found my first client here in Brazil through this chamber. It was at that time a big meeting between our Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Brazil that time, and we had the opportunity to present our products, and through that event we had my first customer in Brazil. So I think the chamber have a big role to play to bring Arab producer and exporter in Brazil, and also to take Brazilian manufacturer to Arab countries.